Welcome to Outdoor Tech Guide, your reliable source for farming and agriculture technology. In today's video, we will meet the future of farming, the DJI Agras T40 drone. This model is revolutionizing agriculture with technology that brings unparalleled efficiency and precision to your fingertips. Equipped with a coaxial twin-rotor design, the T40 can carry a massive 40-kilogram spray load and a 50-kilogram spread load. Its dual Atomized spraying system and Terra mapping software mean every inch of your land receives the perfect amount of care, ensuring healthier crops and better yields. Safety and efficiency are at the heart of the T40. With active phased array radar and binocular vision, it offers 360-degree obstacle sensing, making your operations smoother and safer. Its innovative design isn't just about power. The T40's foldable structure reduces its size by 70%, ensuring easy transport and storage. Plus, with an impressive 15% fuel saving per hour, it's not just powerful, it's also economical. But that's not all. The T40 doesn't just fly, it works with you. Real-time weighing ensures precise spreading, and the magnetic drive impeller pump isolates pesticides from the motor, making the T40 corrosion-proof and ultra-durable. Control is in your hands with a fully enhanced remote controller. Plan efficient routes, capture real-time images, and generate local maps on the go. With the T40, you're not just operating a drone, you're commanding a fleet of precision agriculture tools. Embrace the DJI Agras T40 and transform your farm into a model of modern efficiency and sustainability. It's not just an upgrade, it's a revolution for your agricultural operations. The future of farming is here, and it's flying high with the DJI Agras T40. Click on our product link below to learn more about the T40, and take your first step into a larger world of agricultural innovation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and sign up for notifications. Thank you for watching Outdoor Tech Guide and enjoy the rest of your day.